Hello, I'm Jimmy Stratton.
And I'm Nick Patitucci.
And today we're here to talk to you about the
periodic table of elements. The periodic table was first created by a guy named Antoine Lavoisier. He made a list of 33 chemical elements, grouping them into gases, metals, nonmetals, and earths. Later on, scientists spent the next century making a more precise configuration scheme, like the one we have today. In 1862, Alexandre Émile Voyager de Chantoirois,
that's a mouthful.
it is indeed, had made an earlier form of the periodic table. He was the first to realize the periodicity of the table.
He was number one.
That is true. He was the first to realize that elements have a pattern or sequence in them, like the one Mendeleev has made today.
You guess you could call him a trendsetter.
Yes.
Continue.
In 1864, Julius Mayer published a table with 44 elements, arranging them by valency, almost like Mendeleev, but it's all adding on to what he's making.
So it was like his, but it's not like his.
After Mayer, many scientists have added on to making a final periodic table, but Mendeleev's was the best and the easiest to read. It was made by atomic number and classed by the element.
Okay.
Mendeleev's is also the latest periodic table, the one that we use today.
And as you see here, we have a periodic table. The pink is alkali. The purple is alkaline earth metals. The light blue is the transition metals. The orange is your basic metals. They're basic because nobody likes them.
That's true.
The green is the semi-metals. Dark blue is the non-metals. Light yellow is the halogens. And last but not least, dark yellow is the noble gases. And here we have pink alkali metals, the alkaline earth metals, the transition metals. There's your basic metals. There's your semi-metals, your non-metals, your halogens, and my favorite, your noble gases.
Wow.
Nick, what should we talk about next?
I'm thinking some few fun facts.
Fun facts? But first, let me get to each element, or each box on the periodic
do
table.
Do it first.
Here's a box on your periodic table. This one, the element symbol is V, and it's not Versace made. It stands instead for Viridium. And this box on the periodic table, it shows you the element symbol, the element name, the atomic number, and the atomic mass.
Whoa.
Science is so fun. It's so fun. We've prepared a list of 20 fun facts about the periodic table. How it started, how it's like solitaire, how to fold it, and how it ends.
Remember that.
You may remember the periodic table of the elements as a dreary chart on your classroom wall.
Like
If
Miss
so,
Stobie's, like Miss Stobie's in the back.
yeah, it's a very dreary classroom.
That's the truth.
If so, you never guessed its real purpose. It's a giant cheat sheet. The table has served chemistry students since 1869,
What?
when it was created by Dmitri Mendeleev, a cranky professor at the University of St. Petersburg. With a publisher's deadline looming, Mendeleev didn't have time to describe all 63 then-known elements. So, being the hipster that he was, he turned the dataset of atomic weights meticulously gathered by others.
Oh, for real?
To determine those weights, scientists had passed currents through various solutions to break them up into their constituent atoms, whatever that word means. Responding to a battery's polarity, the atoms of one element would go this way, the atoms of that, another that way. The atoms were collected in separate containers and then weighed.
Those are some good facts.
From this process,
Okay.
chemists determined relative weights, which were all Mendeleev needed to establish a useful ranking system. Nick, would you like to read the next 5?
You pretty much got them all.
Oh, but there's plenty more to go around.
No, there isn't. This
Read the
is
next part.
our presentation
Read the
on
next
the
part.
periodic table.
There's more to learn.
I'm
There's
Nick
always more to learn.
Patitucci, and who's this?
You know me.
It's Jimbo Slice.
Alright, have a great day.
Alright, see you later.